back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to do a chicken, broccoli, cream garlic sauce for some beautiful pasta. Very, very simple. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got one chicken breast there, fairly decent sized one, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin, one onion and some broccoli. The broccoli, onion and chicken are about the same amounts. I've got some fresh Parmesan cheese. I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano. I've got 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and I've got some cream here. This is a single cream. Now you can be using any type of cream you want, as a thick or a thin cream. I've got there like 1 cup. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, now just before we get started, you need to cook your pasta. My pasta's already cooked. I'm using linguine. You can use spaghetti, tagliatelle, any pasta in fact you like. Okay, let's get moving. So I've got some olive oil in there, heating up, and I'm going to start off by dropping in my onions. And I just want to cook these onions for about 3 minutes just by themselves. We're on a fairly lively heat. Okay, so that's a couple of minutes. Just want to give those onions a little head start. So now I'm going to drop in our garlic. And our chicken breast. The chicken breast is no skin, no bone, and it's cut really nice and thin, so it cooks really quickly. While I'm here, I'm just going to add some salt and some black pepper, and then we're going to stay on this kind of lively heat, above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes now, keeping it moving pretty much all the time. Fantastic. At this point I'm going to put in our dried herb. I'm using oregano. You could be using something like basil, tarragon, something like that, up to you. We're now going to go in with our broccoli, and again let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes on this lively heat. Now I'm really happy for my broccoli to be quite crunchy. If you want it softer, you might want to go for another couple of minutes here. Okay, let's get in that cream. Let's drop in that Parmesan cheese. Stay on this high heat and go for 2 minutes, mixing all the time now. Okay, off goes the heat, and we're done. Now if you want, you can get your pasta and put it in there. I'm going to serve mine just on the side. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, and there you go, job done. Very, very easy and absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, please do click that bell icon just below for notifications, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.